Huh. Yeah. How long has it been? Remember back in the Silver Lake, accident held your hand while we prayed. Is there anything else that I can say? Your writing is beautiful. If you wanted to, I'm sure you could write a novel. As many as you damn well wanted to. Huh? Yeah. See, I know you're complex.
Okay, wait a second.
You're an intellect.
Okay.
I've always admired
Okay, you're good.
that
You're good.
about
You're
you.
good. Now. Yeah, you're good. Nice.
And you got married young.
This is insane. What
Do
of
you
you?
think it was too young? Huh. You got two beautiful girls, and you're a beautiful mother. That, honey, you analyze, scrutinize, criticize, but in the eyes you need to get away. You get yourself a holiday. Girl, you need some mental space on an island far away. On an island far away. Cause you've been so damn busy now. It's not like you to be running other people's lives. I know you've always been just a little uptight.
Okay, now straight.
Cause girl,
Yeah.
you've been busy. You've been so fucking busy now. Huh? Yeah.
No way.
But I know, analyze, scrutinize, criticize, but in your eyes, you need to get away. You get yourself a holiday. Girl, you need some mental space.